as anyone can see. I was there when they first met, and something's clear to me, that they benefited greatly from web-based technology. You love her, why don't you stalk her? 'Cause if you stalk her, she will know that you care. If you need her, do more than talk, sir, or she will walk and leave you in despair. Friending her on Facebook was perfectly benign. He sent her little notes and she decided he was fine. She pretended not to notice that everywhere she went, somehow Dave had RSVP'd yes to the very same event. If you love her, why don't you stalk her? 'Cause if you stalk her, she will know that you care. If you need her, do more than talk, sir, or she will walk and leave you in despair. Now that they are married, it's clear that Dave was right. Just find the woman of your dreams and keep her in close sight. Give her all the love you've got and then give her some more. And thank your lucky stars you found the woman you adore. Love her, why don't you stalk her? 'Cause if you stalk her, she will know that you care. If you need her, do more than talk, sir, or she will walk and leave you in despair. If you love her, you really love her, and there's nothing else that you can do. If you love her, just go and stalk her, and she'll tell you she loves you too.
Dave, is it on iTunes yet? What's that? Is it on iTunes? Soon to be on iTunes.
It's already being uploaded to YouTube right now.